This is video number 4 out of my 10 videos where I'm doing affiliate marketing for beginners. We're going to be talking specifically about squeezepage designed to grow your email list and put your business on automation. Coming up. Hey, welcome. My name is Eric Rodriguez and I'm a full-time entrepreneur and online marketer since 2013. Now, if it's your first time here, welcome, and don't forget to subscribe because in my channel I share all my techniques and tips that I use to be successful and make a lot of money online. Now, if you've been with me before, welcome back and thank you very much. Now, this is video number 4 out of 10 videos that I'm doing for affiliate marketing for beginners, and this one is specifically on squeezepages, on designing it, how to get it for free, and how to do it effectively to automate your business, make it easier, and work for you 24/7. So you want to work smarter, not harder, right? So let's go. Hey guys, all right, so welcome to my computer, and this is where I want to show you how to design a squeeze page. You don't need any special skills or knowledge as far as how to do web design. This right here, GetResponse, is mainly an email marketing platform, but they do have a landing page section that is simple, and I'm going to design one right in front of you. But before I start that, I want to show you a little sales funnel that I use so you can keep this in mind, and I will go over it in more detail in the next upcoming videos out of my 10 series of affiliate marketing for beginners. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to get traffic, and then you want to send the traffic to your squeeze page, and that's what we're talking about right now, is squeeze page. From the squeeze page, you want to extract the email address and then put them into your email list. Okay, this email list is going to advertise for you automatically because you're going to set up an email sequence, which also I'm going to do another video in this 10 video sequence for affiliate marketing for beginners. I'm going to show you how to set that up, your email marketing list. That way it automatically promotes for you while you're sleeping, traveling, or doing whatever you love to do. All right. So once they go to the squeeze page and submit their email, then they're going to be taken to a thank you page. The thank you page is going to be your introduction. Generally, I recommend to make a video, put your face out there and say thank you, because it's more personal. Say thank you, and also give them a heads up on what to look for on your email list. That's why that way they are attentive and they are expecting your next email in your email list. Okay, then from the thank you page, you want to send them to the affiliate sales page. All right, so once they come here, you'll get a few sales, not very many, because they still don't know you and they still don't trust you and they still don't like you. So since they don't know that, this is what this is going to do. The 3 main pillars for affiliate marketing is that you need to get them to know you, to like you, and then also trust you. Okay, so what you're going to do is that you're going to set up a nice email sequence, which I'm going to be making another video on email marketing, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that video. And then those emails that you're going to be sending out are going to be pointing to the affiliate sales page. Okay, so once they trust you just enough, then they'll go to this affiliate sales page and actually purchase. So you have to have patience. Don't expect a sale automatically right here. You have to kind of warm them up, butter them up, as they say, and then you'll start seeing sales coming in. All right, so that's just a very basic. So make sure you subscribe so you catch those videos that I go into more detail as far as building your email list and email marketing. All right, so back to this. So GetResponse, it's a email marketing platform, and we're going to design a landing page. Very easy. All right, so right here I'm with the landing pages, and I went ahead and I sorted by conversion rate, and then I wanted to see all the signups and registration because I want to grow my email list. So I'm just gonna pick I don't know, something super simple. Let's see this one, number 1. So this is a video test, just for test purposes. It's loading our template. And again, you're gonna see how easy it is. It's very, very, very simple. All right, so here we are. So this is the main template that you could change things here and have your own wording. Now, when at this point you've already chosen your affiliate product. So what you want to do is that you want to use the similar wording what they use on their affiliate sales page. Okay, that way it's congruent. So when they come here and they submit their email and their name, then they're sent to the affiliate sales page. They're going to see the same information. It's congruent and it's repetitive and it sticks in their mind, and it's true of what they first saw on your squeeze page. So it's very simple. Look, if you want to change this, all you do is just double click there and then ready for videos. I don't know, just randomly putting things here, so you know how easy it is. Here you could change it as well. Here you could change the color, change the size, the text. I mean, it's very customizable. So you want to go back and forth of the affiliate page and put similar wording as far as what they're putting on theirs. And also, just a word of advice for these squeeze pages, the less wording you have, the higher converting the squeeze page is going to be. But what you want to do is that you definitely want to get their attention. That's number one. Number two is that you want to solve or give something free of their problem that they're looking for, kind of entice them, kind of hook them. So that way they go and say, yes, I do have that problem and maybe they can help me. And that's why they submit their email address, because they are confident that you could help them out. And then also, it's very important that you also give them some type of incentive. So give them, give away a free ebook, give away a something extra for free. There are other things that you could give away, like PLRs and so forth. And I will make another video which is included in a 10 video series that I'm making for affiliate marketing for beginners. So make sure you subscribe and catch that video where I show you where and how to get free giveaways, so you could entice people and get a higher conversion rate for your squeeze page. So it's as simple as that. So you change the wording, you put it in, you make it similar to the actual affiliate page that you are promoting, affiliate product that you're promoting, and voila, that's it. And it's connected to your email list. Now on the next video, I'm going to be going over the email marketing and sales funnel. So again, make sure you subscribe for my affiliate marketing for beginners course that I'm doing totally 100% for free. And we're going to go on to the next video and get the ball rolling, because it's time to make money. All right, so I hope you liked that video, and I have a question of the day. The question of the day is, are you having any trouble understanding any of my previous videos in my video series of affiliate marketing for beginners? Now, if you are, go ahead and connect with me below. I would love to help you out. And also, sometimes the community has good advice and they can help you out as well, because I don't know everything, but you never know. Someone else in the part of the community could know the answer to your question. So let me know in the comments below. All right, so thank you very much for checking this video out. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did for making it for you guys. And don't forget, subscribe so then you don't miss out on any other videos, especially the 6 videos that are left in my 10 video series for affiliate marketing for beginners, where I go into full details as far as how to setting up your affiliate marketing business and start to make your first dollar or improve your income with affiliate marketing. All right, so I put in all the notes in the description, all the links, everything that you needed from the previous video and also from this video as well. So until then, I'll see you on the next video, and have a great day.